Last week ended with various news such as important speeches by members of the central banks of Europe and America, continued regional tensions, and the announcement of various economic statistics from China to America, as well as fluctuations in gold and oil coming to an end. Now let's review the news of the final week of April. On Monday, April 22nd, a calm day is anticipated with the announcement of the government budget to GDP ratio in the UK, consumer confidence in the Eurozone, the release of US Treasury securities, and Canada's housing index being among the most important news of the day. Tuesday, April 23rd might be the busiest day of the week, encompassing news of moderate to significant importance. Trade balances for New Zealand, Australia's PMI index, and PMI indices for Japan, France, Germany, and the UK in Asia and Europe will be released. In the US, reports on treasury currency, the new home sales index, crude oil reserves by the API, and the Richmond production index will be published as per the weekly routine. Wednesday, April 24th, in the Sydney session, Australia's CPI will be released, and in the New York session, Canada's retail sales indices and America's durable goods orders index will be published. Thursday, April 25th, central banks in Australia and New Zealand will be closed. In Europe, Germany's consumer confidence index will be released, and in the US, the GDP price index, initial unemployment claims, monthly pending home sales, and trade balances will be published. Friday, April 26th. In Asia, the CPI index monetary policy session, statements and press conferences in Japan, and Australia's trade balance will be released. In the US, the net PCE price index, which is the final change in prices of goods and services purchased, will be published. Have a wonderful week ahead.